In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix disk write error Steam. If you are seeing that message when installing or updating a game, it usually means Steam can't save files to your drive. We'll walk through a clear sequence of fixes, explain why they work, and help you get back to downloading without interruptions. First, make sure Steam is allowed to write files by running it as an administrator. Find your Steam shortcut, right-click it. Choose Properties, then open the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Close Steam if it's open and relaunch it. Giving Steam elevated permissions prevents Windows from blocking file changes in protected folders, which is a common cause of the disk write error. Next, clear Steam's download cache to remove any corrupted temporary files. In the Steam app, open the Steam menu at the top left. Go to Settings, select Downloads, and click Clear Cache. Steam will restart and you may need to log back in. This refreshes the download pipeline and often resolves stuck or looping downloads that trigger the error. Now verify the integrity of the game files. In your library, click the game that's failing, select Properties, go to Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare your local files with the official versions and re-download anything missing or damaged. This process can take some time depending on the game's size. It's normal for the progress bar to pause while files are being checked. Finally, check disk space and write permissions on the drive where Steam is installed and where your games are stored. Make sure here is enough free space for the download and any temporary unpacking that happens during installation. Then navigate to your Steam installation folder. For example, C Drive, Program Files, x86, Steam. Right-click the folder, choose Properties and uncheck Read Only. Click Apply, then OK. This ensures the folder and its contents aren't locked from changes, which can block downloads and updates. If your Steam library is on a different drive, check that library folder the same way so Steam can write to it. After working through them in this order addresses the most common causes quickly and safely. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.